So I didn't spray this section from here over with humic acid or the plant growth regulators, and I want to spray the 13 essentials in this section. I've got this tape measure here, and I don't know how much square footage this is, so I'm going to measure it. And it's really important to know what square footage you have and where. So I'm going to use this tape measure here to measure this section. Okay, so I've marked it right there. So I pulled the tape measure all the way over here to the fence. It says right here 64 feet. 48 feet, so 48 times 64 is 3,072 feet. So I'm gonna go with 3,000 feet in this section. Okay, so here's the stuff I'm gonna put down. This is called 13 Essentials. It's a nanoscale silica plus 12 nutrients. It's a balanced foliar feed system. I've heard really good things about this, and I wanna try it, so. Okay guys, so I have 3,000 feet. I need to put down about 3 gallons of liquid. The directions on this stuff is to put 5 milliliters of this per 1,000 feet. It's a teaspoon of material. So if any of you guys are a safety Sally, right now would be a really good time to click off the video completely. So I'm gonna mix this up and start spraying it. So this stuff's got this orangey color or whatever, or green or something. So I'm colorblind. So if I say something that is this color and it does not that color in any of these videos I do, just know that I'm colorblind. So what this color looks like to me may look like a different color to somebody else. I'm gonna mix it up really good. Okay, so I'm ready to spray. I'm just gonna spray this 3,000 square foot section. Here we go. So that's it. Just sprayed this 3,000 square foot section. If your sprayer's calibrated right, this is super easy to spray. Now all I need to do is just clean out the sprayer, and then I'm just gonna dump the excess in that rock pile over there, and maybe I'll get some rocks to grow. So that's it for this project. I'm gonna respray this section in 10 days, and we'll see how that goes, and we'll see if there's a difference between this side over here where I sprayed the humic and this side where I just did the 13 Essentials. So it's been 11 days since I've sprayed this 13 Essentials, and I need to be spraying this every 10 days. So what this is, it's 13 essential nutrients. It's basically got zinc, copper, boron, silica, manganese, a bunch of the micronutrients in this, 13 of them. So this stuff is not a fertilizer, and so you've got to still do your NPK. So I'm going to be putting some 1616 down right here. And so I want to put the 1616 down really quick because I haven't fertilized this section in over a month. The 1616 first, and then the micronutrients next. So I only need to spread this over 3,000 feet, so I don't need to put a lot in the spreader. Okay, so I just want to put the 1616 from here over 3,000 feet. So I'm not sure how many pounds were in that amount of fertilizer that I just put down on the 1616. The amount of nitrogen in the 16% bag is really not that much, so I'm really not worried about going a little bit heavy. And I like the idea that I'm getting a little bit of like phosphorus and potassium, the P and the K of the fertilizer, so kind of like that. So now I'm going to put the 13 Essentials down. Okay, I'm ready to spray. I just want to spray this 3,000 feet. It's been 11 days since I've last put the 13 Essentials on. Really easy to do. Just spray it down. The lawn looks just as good as it kind of always does, and so it's kind of hard to tell. I didn't put the plant growth regulator down here, and the grass is growing quite significantly faster here than over here. So that's gonna pretty well do it for me tonight. I gotta go plant some annuals that I got on sale for super cheap, and some dahlias that I wanna plant before it's too late. and I've got to fertilize my flower basket. So appreciate you guys watching these videos, and I will see you in the next one.